Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 23rd, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly, I still think this is likely a 1, a 2, and I think this is either going to go up for a wave 3, 4, 5 of wave C of an expanding flat, or a running flat. An expanding flat would make a higher high. A running flat would make a lower high. Either scenario, I still think it has a long ways to go to the upside. Going down to the weekly, I still think this is the wave 1. 5 waves up, wave 1. I think this is a big running flat, wave 2. That means that we're already in the wave 3. So this is like a 1 of 3. This is a WXY, wave 2 of wave 3. And I think this right here is all part of the wave 3. And I do believe there's a very good likelihood that at least on these higher time frames, it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows. All part of this wave 3 of either an expanding or a running flat wave C. Going down to the daily time frame, we definitely are in an uptrend right now. We do not have a breaker structure to the downside. We do not have a lower high. It looks like it just made another ABC pullback and another continuation of the uptrend. We definitely don't have a Fibonacci bounce, so for me, there's really no reason to think this uptrend is over. I mean, maybe it will make a pullback on shorter time frames, but that's great news for us because pullbacks give us opportunities to go long for another continuation of the uptrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we are drifting down a little bit, but for me, at least, I am definitely looking for longs because even the 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly are all in uptrends. And the trend is your friend. So if you look for longs, I definitely think you're going to be at least consistently more profitable. So going right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci extension on here to look for areas of resistance, and we are at the 61.8. That definitely looks like price is having a hard time going beyond that point. So I do think that we probably are going to get a pullback today, but for me, I would much prefer to just let it go down, and then probably this is an A, this is probably a wave B, and it's probably going to go down, make a wave C. It's a pretty decent move to the downside, but for me, as a trend trader, I would much prefer to just wait for the ABC correction to complete, wait for the Fibonacci bounce, wait for the breaker structure, and then go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, the trend is up on the 4 hour, the trend is up on the daily, weekly, and monthly. So the trend is up on every single higher time frame, and you go down to the shorter time frames and think that you want to go short. It's actually quite dangerous because you might think this is going to go down and make a wave C, and then it just makes a little push down and just keeps on trending up. So I would definitely focus on looking for longs at the end of Fibonacci bounces, at the end of corrections. If you see like a nice push down, if you see like a double bottom, if you see a breaker structure, no matter where it happens, that's exactly where I would be looking to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.